namhlanje bakwethu sihlanganiswe ukuthi sizokhuluma ngendaba yokuya emhlangeni, guys, right? So ngokwazi kwami imihlanga engiyaziyo mina ehanjwa yintombi, kunomhlanga kaNgwane, kube nomhlanga wakanongoma, kube kahle kahle imihlanga yakwaZulu i2. There's one that happens like a week before. I've never been. Abantu abaningi engibaziyo bayo. Angazi umephi. And then kube nalo wasesigodlweni kwaNongoma. And then kube nomhlanga. Is it called umhlanga? Yeah, umkhosi kaNomkhubulwane. Asumhlanga loyo kodwa. Umkhosi loyo.
Umkhosi.
Hlukile lokho. So bengithande ukuthi ngoba ngiya-understand ukuthi kunomkhosi kaNomkhubulwane wenzakalayo this weekend. And then umhlanga kaNgwane is scheduled for first week of September, if I saw the date correctly yesterday. Uqala first week, 2. Somewhere around the 2nd is when this thing is happening, right? And then kaNongoma date iphumile, I think they said 14th, nah? 14th. I think they said 14th, yeah. So as we embark on this year, this is the busiest time to be Ijiji of the year, guys. Oh, I will say hectic, right? And I remember, the whole purpose of this live was to prepare those that are second timers and so forth. What is it that you need to know? What do you need to prepare? What would you like to know from people who've been there? What is the experience like? The importance of Amahubo, what kinds of Amahubo needs to be sung in such spaces, right? What is their importance? We also need to talk about how to prepare yourself spiritually, physically, and all of that. Also, we need to talk about the importance of going to these places, right? Is it just a festival? Like, is it giving a Chiwelele festivals where we just go and we chill and we have fun and it's vibes? Or is there a specific purpose? What is the purpose? Yeah, Basan. Oh, I thought you were saying something. About, so is there a specific purpose?
You're saying you're
Oh, okay. My apologies. I will switch it. Oh, my apologies. Because I'm So okay, sharp. My apologies for that. That was my baby brother. Ndikazongitshela ukuthi bathi umusic uba ngumsindo. Angikwabonanga la ama-comments, ngiyaxolisa but sengikucimile manje. But so those are the things that I want us to talk about: the importance, the value added, what do you need to prepare, how do you prepare, what would you like to know, right? I think those are the conversations we need to have, Masia. Yeah, so there's going to be a couple of CIM that are going to be happening physically that you can go and attend and actually learn steps in step sometimes they can be a bit tricky, but steps are very simple. I think we can start there, right? Some steps are very simple, very slow, very, I don't want to use the word mundane, but very mundane, for lack of a better term. That are on the panel can then advise us. I just want to see if there isn't anybody that should be on the panel that is already here. Okay, not yet. If you know you're supposed to be on the panel, can you just send a message in the text, and then we can just add you as you come. So, Pam, IT, also what happens when we go to the final? What happens? Can we just go to the final event only? Okay, I need to do that. Also, the proceedings of the day when we arrive and when we leave. Okay, I'm gonna need you to start to where the conversation starts, yeah? Because I don't know. Are you talking about umhlanga wakanongoma or umhlanga wase Gwangwane? While you're still deciding that, I think the first thing that I can probably do is ngikamukele usisi wethu omdala okhona phakathi kwendawo, usisi Nozi, siyabonga ukuthi ube khona phakathi kwendawo sisi wami. And then kunosisi Ayanda, uMankabinde Nkosi yami ukhona naye phakathi kwendawo, siyabonga ukuthi uzavele. And then kuneChichile Gushi Nkosi yami mntazi, awu yena shem Nkosi yami ngiyabonga nje ukuthi for allowing me to bully you to be here. it means the world to me ukuthi lokhu yangivumela ukuthi ngikubhulishe ngezinto eziright sithando sami. And then ngithanda ukwamukela uSisinozipho Nkosi yami, ngiyazi ukuthi you're supposed to be in a study group. I appreciate you making the time. It means the world. Nalabo abanye abasazongena nabo ngiyabamukela ngey'gaba zabo ezibafanele nani kuma-comments Nkosi yami nabakhona ku-live. Ngikukhulu ukuyithoba nenhlonipho enifanele ngiyanamukela ukuba khona phakathi kwekhaya. Bengithanda ukuthi ngiphe uSisinozi ithuba ukuthi yena asharele ngempela umphako ukuya emhlangeni. Right? Ngiyacabanga ukuthi the dialogue will then stem from there. Right? Ukhuluma ngokwaNongoma. Okay. Yeah, maybe Sisinozi can take that one and build from there. Okay. So they're asking ukuthi, do they only go to the final event? And you understand that umhlanga wakaNongoma is a 2-day event. So do they only go to the final event? I don't know which one they think is a final event. And can they go alone? I think was also the other question. But ngizothola imanje ngiphe uSisinozi ithuba lokuthi akhulume.
Mani guys, ngiyathemba wonke umuntu uyaphila. Igama lami nguNozipho ngwase-Newcastle. Ngintombi yaseMajubaki guys, angiyontombi yaseGoli. However, due to isikolo nomsebenzi ngila eGoli. Okay, angeke ngize ngi-expect everyone ukuthi mhlawumbe emhlangeni kuyafana ngendlela esenza sonke cause eGoli ngiyazi ukuthi ama-group maningi and awenzi ngokufana. Hi Khanya. Awenzi ngokufana njengoba nase-KZN ama-group yase-Newcastle ngeke yenze ngokufana neyase-Vryheid, ngeke yenze ngokufana nama-group aseThekwini. So yeah, so emhlangeni, okay, number 1, I believe ukuthi before wonke umuntu emhlangeni kumele abe sehloliwe and uSiyaya like lama camp lawa kaSiyaya abalekile cause asuke ezofundisa ngezinto eexpectekile ukuthi nizenze as your group. Yabona njengoba nje sazi ukuthi le silale endaweni engafani kunamathende angafani. Sindiswa masina sizofika kwi-question yakho. We're gonna break it down ngoba ngisize sijump ukuthi what are the proceedings on the day esifika ngayo nakho konke. So la eGoli ngiyazi ukuthi wonke ama-group ahamba ebusuku. Maye hamba ebusuku amanye afika ekseni. iGoli ke linesikolo elilala kulo or abagezela kuso. So kuyaye kufikwe ke kwaNongoma. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi wonke umhlanga ageza emfuleni. Abanye bageza kuma-2 liters, abanye bayabhuka, of which it's something I wouldn't advise because emhlangeni wonke umuntu kumele abe naleyo experience leyo yokulala ethendeni. Okay, iGoli ke shem ngiyalizwela abantu ngoba linathend lale eGolini. But ke ya. So masifika sizofika kugezwe kushiwo inamba ukuthi njengokuthi nje iMajuba unumber 1 or ingane zasesigodlweni ziba unumber 1 of which intombi zakwaNongoma ejwayele ukuba unumber 1 ukubamba umhlanga alandeleka amanye ama-group. So masiya onomehlo basuke sebazi ukuthi umhlanga subamba as unumber 1. Well angaze ngalibona iGoli libamba umhlanga ndawonye like nje kuthiwa nanti iGoli libamba umhlanga ndawonye hlale kuya ngama-group. Okay, maqeda ukubamba umhlanga uyakhushulwa usiwe esigodlweni la uzoyamkelwa khona ke manje nenhlanhla nizofica isilo sisamkela umhlanga. Manje ibe nebhadi ke nizofika nje senibeka. Okay, makusuka lapho
Yes.
Manisuka lapho kune stadium eniyayeniye niyothamela inkulumo lapho kusuke kukhona abantu abahlukahlukene. Dala bakuba khona amabhesha amatshitshi nekhathi esaqala ngazo. But ke manje due to safety reason awasekho. So nizohamba ne-stadium lalela inkulumo nithamela inkulumo yesilo. Mayiphela inkulumo yesilo nibuyele emathendeni. Abanye ke they sometimes decide ukuthi bazohamba bayogeza. Kuvuka ekseni ilapho ke sekukhona kubonakala khona intombi ezazi amahubo neintombi engazazi. engawazi amahubo on Sunday. Kuvuka ekuseni kuyogezwa bese kiwa e-stadium. Kuyaye kube khona-ke yini ikhulumi wama-guests for that day, kufundiswe izinto ey'fundiswayo. Mhlawumbe kube khona abantu bakwa-Department of Health, kube nje khona abantu abahlukahlukene. Nifundiswe lokho enifundiswa khona, bese-ke kubizwa ngama-group njengoba niyaye nibone ku-TikTok kuthiwa nanti igoli, sicela iTheku, sicela abakuphi. La abantu bafike khona baqale bahube ihubo bese kuba khona ingoma. Ihubo kube khona ingoma, kube ihubo kube khona ingoma, kube ihubo kube khona ingoma. So bese kuba khona-ke abavalelisayo ilaze kuthiwa khona abantu abayogana abangeke baze umhlanga ngathini umshado. Where can you learn amahubo? Emakhempini ila uzofunda khona amahubo. So uma ngabe wena uyintombi eyimele, angazi nami uzowafunda ngoba namaye ngawacinga ku-TikTok but awekho, but nje amahubo uwafunda ekhempini, ayikho enye indawo ongawafunda kuyo. And then kuvaleliswe-ke laba abavalelisayo. Maqeda ukuvaleliswa ithile isilo kusuke kahle kahle ngeSunday kuthiwa kuyovaleliswa isilo, suke kuyovaleliswa isilo. Abafika-ke ngoLwesihlanu early bayaye bahambe bayobingelela isilo. So since iy'ntombi ey'ningi zifike ebusuku, angicabangi ukuthi ziyalithola lelo thuba lelo lokuyobingelela isilo, njengoba sikwazi ukuthi siyovalelisa ngesonto ekuseni. Ngesonto kwenziwa lama-activities lawa engiwashoyo. Engikhohlwe ukusho ukuthi iy'godi ney'godi, njengoba nje la iGoli nazi ukuthi igroup yakho makiwe emhlangeni niyaplana ukuthi skate ngizofaka mhlawumbe iskate esiyelo nobuhlalo obunjani nakanjalo. Igroup yasemajuba, emajuba nje sisodwa iskate sasemajuba esifaka makiwe emhlangeni. Mawungakamuli ufaka iskate esi-red and blue or esi-red. Mangabe usumulile ufaka iskate esimnyama esibizwa ngevokosi. Yabo, so nje ukugqoka kuya ngokuthi igroup yakho igqoka kanjani. Bese nje ngizo-emphasize emutsheni. Ngiyabonga.
Yes. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi before sikukhulula ngizwe ukukhuluma indaba engicabanga ukuthi mina ibalulekile. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uSindi uphendulekile. Let's start there. I think uSindi uphendulekile. She went through it in detail, right? And she mentioned ukuthi it's very important ukuthi attend the CIS group yakho, especially if in a group, because that inducts you on how to behave, what is expected of you from a group perspective, right? And then umenshine indaba ebalekile uthe uya-emphasize endabeni yomutsha. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe mangapha someone ozizwa ngathi uyashisa mhlawumbe noma sisi wena uya-attack indaba yomutsha ukuthi ngiyazi sihlale siyikhuluma, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi this is a proper platform to actually emphasize the importance and what it's supposed to look like in Ntombini. What are the expectations around umutsha and what is it really? What does it signify? Angazi ukuthi mhlawumbe sisungayithatha noma uNozipho mhlawumbe if uyakhona ukukhuluma la khona.
Sanibonani. Ngiyanibingelela nonke, ngizokhuluma nje lokho engikwaziyo. Noma ngaba mfishane kodwa nje ngokwazi wami nje umutsha owentombi. Umutsha wentombi nanokuthi ke muzovunula ufaka umutsha inkaba ayivele. Ngazi lokho. Nanokuthi ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi kune age ethize bakhona ekutheni usungawufaka umutsha. I'm just not sure on the age, but definitely ngiyazi ukuthi ukhona umnyaka obekiwe. Yebo. Kwazi wami ke lo ngomutsha ke. And also ngifuna ukuphendula lo kade ekhuluma ngecamp. Ngiyazi ukuthi kuzoba necamp kule weekend lesiya kuyo la eGoli, for those who'd love to learn amahubo, ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi usisigugu is quite good namahubo. Mungabe ukhona nje la eGoli izobe sethembisa. I think you can visit her page la ku TikTok, Google aMashayimane Bachoncho. That's a very good place to kufunda nje amahubo. Njengoba soyemhlangeni, yebo.
And she will be joining us at around 7:10. She
Oh,
did
okay.
mention she'll join a bit later. So I think she'll also allude to the camp as well. Ngicabanga ukuthi Sis Nozi or Simpiwe, do you have anything to add to what Sis Nozipo said?
Akazi ukuthi umutsha ugqokwa
From which age?
yet from which age.
Eh.
Umutsha ugqoka mangabe usuthombile.
Oh, okay.
Mawungakathombi ufaka uMamdindi. Angazi noma niyawazi uMamdindi.
Cha, aswazi.
Hayibo bafethu Simpiwe.
uMamdindi. uMamdindi ilobu buhlalu lobu. Khona lobu buhlalu lobu obufakwa omngazathi bumutsha but abona umutsha ubuhlalu.
Bun bese ngathi kuyalenga pha enzansi.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, ngiyabona ukuthi bengalazi ke lelo gama.
Yeah, ilo.
Oh, okay.
Dala kwakhona nowawenziwa ngeindwanga ngazi noma yabona amatsonga ngazi noma naye niyibone imvunulo yamatsonga.
Cha, ngiyazi ke mina.
Khona ke imvunulo yamatsonga izingane ifaka uMamdindi.
Oh,
Ukhandwe
okay.
ngendwangu wase kwasikwa nje kwayizinto eziyakazelayo engazathi mob.
Oh, okay. Ngathi ngiyayibona.
Kwaqokwa lokho ke kudala.
Okay.
Umutsha uline womutsha nami nje nginamahloni ngifaka u3 line ngimdala kangaka. But uline womutsha ukhula ngeminyaka.
Right ke lapha.
Ngabe sengifaka olayini abawu7 or 6.
Aw!
Yeah. Hayibo.
Phela mawuthi ukhula ngeminyaka, like at what age do you add? Like, do you add every 5 years, every 2 years?
Giggles.
Yebo.
Okay, when it comes to that, I do have ulwazi ukuthi umutsha uyayixoxa indaba ngokuthi intombi isikusiphi isigaba. I'm just not sure ukuthi uedwa nini, yabo, but ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba esho usisinoza ukuthi umutsha nje uyawuxoxa indaba ukuthi okay, le ntombi isikule sigaba esithize.
Yebo. Nina Simpiwe enyenza imvunulo bakwethu ngicela isi-advise-eni. Like mina I'm very young, 25 years old, very young. Umusha ekumele ngabe ngiyawugcoka is how many line for my age? Or is it not about the age, it's about like ukuthi like ngimephi, like
Yeah.
njengoba esho uNoziphathe isigaba mhlawumbe, because I know that's a different term. Like at which stage of life I am.
I think so. I don't think it's necessarily about age, but isigaba okuso.
Important to write that down.
Asking what is the difference of umutsha? Angu understand umbuzo wakhe ukuthi ubuza mhlawumbe based on ama line or based on amakhala or kanjani. And then nangu Pamela is asking, so if you are 16, how should it look and what is it exactly? Sisi, I think ukuze uwazi umutsha, you can go on TikTok and search for umutsha. And then uNozipho, I think ushilo lapha unkosazana njengoba ebuza ukuthi the lines. uNozipho I think ushilo ukuthi kuya ngesigaba osukuso. Uyabona? Mina ngiyazi ukuthi kumele ngabe sengile ko 6 7 kodwa phela ngeke. Ngingashona.
Hawu, uyokuhlolwa yini? Sha. Okay, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi that was a very important question. And I mean, I remember attended camp ethizeni bemenshina ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi umutsha uhambe nesinene, especially entombini. Right? Yeah, understand, especially when we're going to talk about the colors differ. I think traditionally each color has a meaning, right? But I think as things go on, amakhala ayangokuthi availability 1, to igroup ongena kuyo ukugcoka uniform enjani, then they tailor uniform umutsha wakho according to uniform yakho. Is what I'm seeing is happening right now, right? But the importance of isnene, from my understanding, I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly, but isnene, if Uncle Mamang.
Yebo.
But go signify ukuthi isibaya isiZulu isibaya sika ma sisavalekile. So njengoba thina sinokugcoka
Isibaya sababa,
isibaya sika baba ncane.
ikomo kamama.
Yabona-ke the importance of having people that know things. But ukuthi it signifies ukuthi isibaya sisavalekile. So now my question is, we buy these things in town and everything, and the tailors that make it for us, sometimes it's very expensive to add that thing. Masiya emhlangeni, is it important ukuthi sihambe nemitsha yethu esenesinene noma isigege? Because they sell it.
Ngingaphendula lapho.
Okay.
Ngokwazi kwami, lo mbuzo lona ngeke ngawubuza umuntu engikholele ekutheni unolwazi ukudlula mina. Wathi kumina akacabanga ukuthi it is a must for ukuthi umutsha uhambe nesinene noma umutsha mungenawo isinene, it means something else. Umutsha nje owentombi, whether unesinene or not, from what I know.
Okay. Ngiyabonga lapho Sipho. And
Esikhathini esiphila kuso manje, like you find umuntu, angifuni ukuthi ibuke ihlale kabi, but athi ngithi nje wonke umuntu njengamanje uyamthola evunule ngomutsha. So sikwazi ukuthi sihlukaniseke. I think isinene sizosisiza njengamanje ukuze kuzokwazi ukuthi kuhlukaniseke ukuthi okay, at least lo useseyintombi, uyabona, because manje wonke umuntu usevunula ngomutsha. Uyamthola nje ugogo wami, hayi phela ukuthi ugogo wami uyawufaka umutsha, but nje ugogo wami efake, Pam, please search for umutsha ku-TikTok wakho uzowubona. Angazi ukuthi ngizowuchaza kanjani, but ubuhlalo ufake okhalweni.
Ukhalo is waste. That I know.
So yeah, umutsha I think uhambe nesinene ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi sihlukaniseke, uyabona, because manje uzothola ukuthi uzohamba emhlangeni unomehlo wakho ufaka umutsha, yabo, so awusabi bikho umehluko.
That is true.
Sacela ukuphendula la uSisanda and Azande uthi things are modernized now, and ingisa kulento engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi yebo izinto sezimodern manje, but also in it being modern it's very important ukuthi singalahli izinto zethu, because ekulahleni izinto zethu sizogcina sesithatha izinto zezinye izizwe, and then what happens to being authentic wena as an individual, more especially for example, ngenze example mina njengoba ngumZulu, mengizofika manje ngiqoke izinto ngoba nakho sezi-modernized, what happens to me being authentic and proudly, Zulu? So it's very important ukuthi singalahli izinto zethu and find the people abangasenzela izinto zethu in their true essence, zingekho alternated or changed.
Yes, and then to answer Nelly, yes, that is the purpose of Isinene. But I think that's a very good point that you brought up, Nozipo, is the importance of being authentic, right? And I think this is something abantu abaya kwaNgwane this year can relate to, is as we're going there this year, I believe I'm also going, I'm not sure.
Okay.
But I operate under faith. So njengoba siya, yabo, speaking things into existence, very important. kwaNgwane, you will realize ukuthi majority of, especially amaswati khona manje, angazi ukuthi amaswati noma amaswati, yeah, they are complaining about ukuthi we are
Say
Yo,
it. Say it. Yisho ngoba baqinisile.
we are bastardizing imvunulo yabo, and it's not right. Right? And that's a harsh term to use, I know. But they didn't lie. Right? The way sesiphethe imvunulo khona manje, and I understand ukuthi indlamu like skirt looks really nice, right? And from what I understand, ngisho namawulu abo la abafakayo, there are specific colors, right?
Yes.
So they have specific colors, and those specific colors have meaning. That's why they sit where they sit. I know there's one with a lot of yellow, and there's one with a lot of blue. So where they sit and the color, iyakhuluma, just like imvunulo yethu nobuhlalo bethu buyakhuluma. So masesifika thina sesinendlamu for yethu a red, full red outfit, which is beautiful, by the way. It's really beautiful. But remember, and I think this is what I wanted to emphasize today, ukuthi ukuya emhlangeni is not like going to umcimbi. It's completely different. Akufani. You know, ukuya emcimbini, you can dress up the way you like and be pretty and like do the color coordination and whatever. It's a party, right? They're doing a party, especially in this fana bomemulu, umhlangano usikwe. That's a different topic altogether. But more like ememulweni and stuff like that, you know, it's a party. You're there to have fun. You're there to celebrate. You know, you dress up. You look great. It's nice. But more emhlangeni, it's very important to get your look correct. It's very important to let whatever you're wearing speak before you do. And I think right now it's short notice for a lot of people. That much I get. Now my imvululos all over the place, right? But that's something we really need to take into account, which is what Unozipo spoke about, authenticity. Guys, if we are emhlangeni wakangwane uZulu, go Zulu. There's no need for you to fige ufage isiswati light sabo. And I know ukuthi exactly Mandwandwe. There's a lot of us abavunule ngemvunulo yezingizizwe singazi and without researching the meaning, right? And I know mina nganyile Gwangwane last year, right? And I remember first day they said, so we came there on Friday or something. They said first day bebanga jabula masinga qogelana nabo isiswati. And there was someone that was there. Omunye mama ebe pete like a whole pile of imvunulo to borrow us to it, right? Now the borrowing of imvunulo is a topic of another thing altogether, because but you know it's business, so we're not going to get into that. But you know, as I was sitting there, I was like, man, that was cool. I was like, no, it's fine, I'll be okay. You know, different strokes for different folks. But I think it's very important to understand the cultural meaning of imvunulo. What does it mean? And if I'm taking a culture Maswati at a Swati spiritual event, because at the end of the day, whether we like it or not, these events are spiritual. And if I'm going to go to umkhosi womhlanga wakangwane, where ngiyazi ukuthi bawukhulekele ngendlela yabo ungwane noma benza the way benza ngakhona esigodlweni sakhona, isigodlo siyalungiswa makuzogcwalisa abantu, right? Ngifike mina ngithini abaphansi bakangwane bavukile bayazothokoza nathi at that time. Ngifike ngifaka imvunulo yakangwane mina. Emvunulweni yami yakangwane ngifaka na wrong. Automatically that has repercussions. I feel like that's common sense though. But like that in itself has repercussions, right? So I want us to be very clear as sisiya kulemi khosi yemhlanga esiyakuyona, or ukuthi let us try our best to be authentic, right? It's not going to be easy, but it's going to make your life easier. And remember, ukuya laphana uya ukuyokhuleka, right? Umkhuleka ukuba laphana. And I think that's one of the important things where we go. And I think I'm going to give Usimpiwe no Chichile Gucci a moment to share with us ukuthi bona magiwa emhlangeni bacanga ukuthi siyelani, what is the purpose of going there, right? Sizobuye sibuye kwindaba yakho yobuntombi bakho nkosi yami. Eish Mandwandwe isikasikabuleyo ndaba ngizoyibhala phansi, sizobuya siye kuyo, ne? But I think this is the platform then to give Usimpiwe noChichile Gucci a moment to really expand on the importance of umhlanga ukuthi ngempela siyelani laphana. And I think if we can understand that, we'll be able to maneuver around preparing and making sure ukuthi we are ready and we are activated. And by saying that, I'm giving Simphiwe the Chichile Kuche moment. Simphiwe Musubalega. How? Nakia. Boy, I guess it's also explain. Ngithembe wena mina. Ngiyazi mangiphethe wena ngeke ngilahleke oh. Unmute ke lapho. Amen. Simphiwe oh. Ayi uSimphiwe akekho. Chichile Kuche Nkosi yami usuphume eTexini sicela siphendule oh. Nobody. Okay. Let me not. Okay. They will unmute themselves when they come back. Yeah? They will unmute themselves when they come back. Ooh. Oh. I'm just shining. So they will unmute themselves when they come back and they will share with us. But I think Mina, the importance for Mina from a personal level, right, is ukuya laphana, ukuyokhuleka, ukuyocela, to pay homage. And I know that's a weird thing to say, but to pay homage to Isilo Samabandla as well, right? To be celebrated. The event is to celebrate us as Intombi. Umcimbi wethu ukubungaza thina is how they put it in Zulu, right? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukuya laphana kuyehluka ngama meanings to people, right? That's why I get mina from a personal perspective. I take it as that's why, and I've been tending to share on that importance yokuzila before yalaphana, right? Ukuzila I think is it's fasting in English, I think, yeah, right. So uyakhetha ukuthi uzozilani njengentombi wena. Abanye bayeka ama-processed goods for the week and then they eat only your non-GMO items. Abanye bayakhuleka iviki lonke, abanye bayaphahla emakhaya. Kuyahluka ngale way nikhulise ngakhona, but ngiyacanga ukuthi ku-important, right? Because nabantu amashe esihamba nabo bayazila kuye bayalaphana because abanye babo banamadoda, abanye babo bahlala nezizukulwane. You know, there's so many things that they go through. So as they do that, so that when they come into that space that's full of purity, which is what we represent, kungabi nokungcola oza nakho nawe esigodlweni esifika nemithandazo yethu. So ngiyacanga ukuthi it's very important. I'm speaking with my hands. It's very important ukuzile, and I think maybe abosiswethu in the panel can share bona ukuthi do they think it's important ukuzila? Does it matter whether or not you do it?
Zipho, do you
Yebo.
want to say something?
Angikuzwa sis.
You want to say something?
Yeah, ngingathanda nje ukusho kumphendula Giggles kulento eshoyo ukuthi okay, firstly, I think it comes down to wena as an individual, because we need to remember ukuthi noma as much as ungaya emhlangeni nabantu, but at the end of the day usukuhamba individually, lo mhlangu uyowuphatha wena yourself. And I think when it comes to ukuzila certain foods, I do think ukuthi it does help, or it does play a role somewhere, because I believe ukuthi muzile ukudla okuthize musuya lapha uyonyathela khona, uya there in like your purest self to some extent. So I do think ukuthi ukuzila certain foods does like play a role and kubalulekile. Fana noma for example ke ngezwa laba baya kumkhosi kaNomkhubulwane kunokudla okuthiza bangakuthinti yabo up until baze befike ngoba indawo engcwele. So ngiyacanga ukuthi ukuzila ukudla usho nje ukuthi ngeke ngidle lokhu does help one, because kufana ukuthi yalapha pure to some extent. So kubalulekile khona ngasho.
On what Giggle was saying, mina ngendlela engazi ngayo, well, I'm not sure if, but ngazi ukuthi la sicela khona ikunomkhosi kaNomkhubulwane lozo yenzela khona konke okudingayo nazo zonke izinto. Bese emhlangeni, I think niyakhumbula like few years back sasicelebrate ukusungulwa komhlaba. I think kwenzeka 40 years ago or somewhere, but we were celebrating 40 years of umhlanga. So emhlangeni sisuke siyogubha umntombi angazi ngizobeka kanjani, but suke siyo celebrate ubungcwele bethu, cause masingathi siyazila kunabantu abayemhlangeni besema periodsini, yabona, and masingathi ubungcwele then kungamele kuthiwe abasemhlangeni angimele bawubamba umhlanga mangabe besema periodsini, njengoba kwenziwa kaNomkhubulwane ukuthi mawusema periodsini kuneyindawo ongeza ukunyathela kuzona, niyabona. So yeah, but also kubalekile ukuthi ufaste because kuningi okwenzakala emhlangeni, like mangabe nje wake waye emhlangeni you've experienced izinto abantu bevele bebaleke benze ini nani, so ukufasta usukufastela ukuthi ube protected kuyo yonke imimoya evunguzayo, because kuzabantu abaningi abaphethe izinto lokhu unganayo, abaphethe abeze ngeinhloso ezingafani. Wena ungasuka ekhaya kini with your purest intentions ukuthi ufuna ukuyobamba umhlanga ufike nawo esigodlweni, omunye umuntu nje athi lo ngeke azafike nawo umhlanga esigodlweni, uyabona. So wena uthandazela uyawubamba. Sisi ubani usindisiwe ngithe uyawubamba umhlanga usema periodsini, but kuNomkhubulwane kuneyindawo onganyatheli kuzona mangabe usema periodsini. Bengispeculate leyo difference ukuthi mangathiwa singathini I don't know how to put it, but yeah, sinjalo.
I mean, I get you.
Yeah.
I get you, and I think that's a very important point you brought up, Uguti. And that's the reason why I asked, Uguti, why are we going there? And we are sure to show, what is your group, so ubuntu, right? So it's like a revitalization of the energy. And
Ezaqala ziyintombi zaqala usiko lomhlanga. It's just that history yakhona ngisayikhumbuli kahle, but sake satshelwa nje ukuthi kwakuneyintombi ezasungulwa kanye nazo umhlanga, umkhosi womhlanga, okuyinto ke esiqhubeka unyaka nonyaka, hayi ukuthi suke siyocela la sicela khona ikaNomkhubulwane.
Quick question. How are we not entering some areas if you are at your period during period? I think that's okay. That's okay. That one, I don't want to lie to you. Mina bengazi ukuthi you are at your period's form when you're during your periods, right? So to not lead you astray, ngithanda ukuthatha isithuba lesi welcome uNomehlo uMasimilane okhona phakathi kwendawo. Masiyabonga ukuba khona kwakho Nkosi yami. Wesibusisa ngiyaqala ukuthi probably this is the time to ask you to mhlawumbe usize uMandwandwe in this question that she's asking ukuthi kunganjani ungangeni ey'ndaweni when you're in your period form during my periods. I don't want to lie, mina leyo iyangilahla. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngingayiphutha ngalo ngiyipha umuntu omdala. Ngazi ukuthi uma uyakwazi ukukhuluma la khona.
Sanibonani. Ngiyathemba niyaphila, ngibonga ukumenywa. Ngithe ngihlalele kwakungamenyezwa kwathiwa uyabizwa ngale ngathi awuthi ngiyolungisa. Ngeke ngizwe ukuthi intombi ihlangene ngani. Okokuqala ngicela ukubonga ukuthi nihlangane ngento enhle, ukuthi nibonisane nigayidane. And solokulonke nilalele ngizwa iwisdom kini nonke. Kuhle uma uyintombi ufuna ukwazi kabanzi, ufunda uzuyoguga. Even nami ngikhona kulolu hambo uNomehlo, khona ezinye izinto ngifunda kuzo ayidi. Intombi noma ngithi umuntu wesifazane uma esesikhathini kuyashiwo ukuthi akekho pure kumele acleanswe kuqala like ungcolile accordingly, but at the same time I've got this thing yokuthi I don't believe ukuthi umuntu wesifazane angangcola because uNkulunkulu maka creator makungabe lento lebengcolile bekumele avale into ekuthiwa ama period angithi emntwini wesifazane. So I doubt ukuthi uNkulunkulu angasipha into at the same time athi ingcolile because wablessa umuntu wesifazane ukuthi alethe umunye umuntu emhlabeni. So kunezinye izinto mhlambe igodlo ekuthiwa akumelanga ungene ngoba ngaleso sikhathi leso usuke usungene kule leso sikhathi leso lesa like kuma period. Number 1 ngizwenza iexample mangithi igodlo indawo engcwele noma eclean noma epure kuvamisekile ukuthi awungene uma usesikhathini ngoba iyangcoliseka noma iyehla amandla. So that's why usho uzwa in the Bible ngithanda ningixolele ngoba mfundisi at the same time ne. So in the Bible kunale verse elithi kunomuntu wesifazane ubewopha kodwa uthe makabamba uJesu kwadraineka amandla. So it's kusho kona ukuthiwa mawusendaweni engcwele kunamandla adrainekayo kuleyo ndawo leyo. So before you enter that place kumele ukuthi ungene kuyo usunjani ucleansiwe. Njengoba ngisezayona uma usesikhathini bekunalesikhathi kuthiwe ungabambi isikhali noma ungangena endaweni ethize uthi after ama period kwezinye inkonzo bathi ungeze enkonzweni and then after leso sikhathi usundlulile bese kuthiwa kucelakala ukuthi ubize umama noma ugosa eze namanzi azwenzana azokuhlambulula ukuthi ungene nawe ufithe ini. So ziyayintombi emhlangeni zisesikhathini ziyangena intombi esigodlweni zisesikhathini and some of them uthola ukuthi nasentabeni kaNomkhubulwane ngizwile ni mention uyayigibela uya entabeni usesikhathini. That's why uthi mawubabona abakhuphuka abasuke bafaka ama underwear basuke basesikhathini then abasuke bahamba ngobubona izenqe zabo basuke bangekho emaperiodini. So hayi ukuthi kukhona okubi okuzwenzeka uma ungene kuleyo ndawo kuleso simo leso. So kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu usuke abonile noma ngaleso sikhathi leso ukuthi emntaneni othize ngoba abanye uthola ukuthi babhubhoka khona emhlangeni. Intombi uthola ukuthi ayi at all emaperiodini but ngalelo langa athi uyobamba umhlanga abhoboke awukwazi ukuthi umdedise uthi ungawubamba umhlanga ngoba ungcolile ngoba uzosuka ehliseni. Nina intombi okoqala intombi zihamba nomoya engcwele. Intombi zinamandla in such a way yokuthi nyenza izinto zihappen. uNkulunkulu uzwa umuntu intombi kunami kunomehlo umkhuleko wakho uyashesha ukufika kubaba uNkulunkulu. Inkani uyile ntombi le ehamba ngobungcwele ngoba kahle kahle lolu hambo leni uhambo olingcwele. So awukwazi ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi uthathe umhlanga uyongena kule ndawo. So that's how I believe but singaba la sonke and then singabi nelona nendlela ezifanayo but according to the way mina ngakhuliswa ngakhona ngakhulela ngakhona ebiyonini ukuthi umuntu uyahlanjululwa ahlambululeke. So that's why ngisho ngithi angiboni ukuthi uNkulunkulu beyangasipha into aziyo ukuthi singcolile yileso sikhashana mhlawumbe ukuthi kuvurilizeke lelo gazi lelo kwenzeke that process. But I've got this strong feeling ukuthi whether usemaperiodini noma awukuma period you are allowed ukuthi ungaya entabeni uyayigibela intaba kuNomkhubulwane uyonikela ngoba awusukanga ulethe lobu period bakho but usuke ulethe ubuwena. So uma usuke ekhaya kude kangaka ukhokhe asithi usuka la eGoli uzokhokha maybe like roughly 750 uya kwaNongoma your aim ukuthi uyohambisa umhlanga mawufika lapha usufika uyabhoboka. Mina ngunomehlo senguthi ngicela ukuthi usuke echela ngoba usungcolile. Cha, I don't believe in that. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe izwakele. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga mama kakhulu. That was very grateful. Bengazi-ke mina ukuthi khona amasondo ongangeni koma sesikhathini. Ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu ngamele kunendlela uzwile ukuthi ungaphuma into ehluzile. Pity said something in the comments. She was like, I know that's when you're the strongest. I don't know what she means. Maybe she can unmute and then. Hi, love. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Sharp. Oh, ngijabula nje mawukhona Nkosi ngikubingelelanga ngiyabonga ukuba khona kwakho phakathi kwendawo, my love.
Thank you so much. That's it. Mina, I was sharing the fact that according to what I know, when you are on your periods, moreover, if you're a pure person or you're a virgin, what I know is you are at your strongest. Like you are at your strongest point. That's what I know. But I think it differs with person to person or maybe with knowledge that is being shared amongst us. Yabo? Yes, I do know ukuthi enkonzweni kuzoshiwo ukuthi mhlampe uyazila kunezinto vele ozizilayo. For instance, noma umuntu kamoya, there's certain things that you don't really get in touch with. So just as much as we would be saying we are at our strongest, you are at your strongest to defeat certain things that could affect you spiritually. You are at your strongest to defeat certain things as ngaba nama intentions mhlampe angamahle kuwe personally as a human being. You understand? So that's the knowledge that I have ukuthi yes, mhlampe ngasho ukuthi you don't enter certain points, but indawo eletha ukuphila kuwe noma indawo enokukhuleka, yes ungayizila, but when personally you are at your strongest, and what I believe and what I know is masisemhlangeni we are at the place where we get ukuthi sikhuleke and connect to amathongo ethu individually. So yeah, but that's the belief that I have. I don't know with everyone else. Thank you.
Ngiyabonga, my sister, thank you for sharing, right? And I think while we are on that subject of Lendole, I'd like us to take like a little bit of a turn, right? And I want us to talk about Uyiphatha, right? Especially in such spaces, right? Uyiphatha esikolweni particularly, right? What does that how does one conduct themselves? Makasesikolweni? Is there a particular procedure? Are there things you're not allowed to say? Can you go emhlangeni as umXhosa? Yes, all nations are welcome emhlangeni. From what I understand from both sides, KwaNgwane, naKwaZulu, everybody's welcome to come as a bungas, right? But just to go back to my question, is there specific decorum you need to have? Is there a way that you need to conduct yourself? Mawufika endaweni efana nesigodlo? And if so, what is it? And I think I'm going to open that question to Upili and then give Usimpiwe a chance, and then mhlambe Uma angasrephela in that point, if possible.
Okay, hi again. So this is me sharing what I know. Ngokuziphatha mawusendaweni efana nesigodlo. What I know is number one, uma ukhuluma nomuntu omdala, but it's just basic knowledge. Awukhulumi naye umile. Uma uhamba ungaqimbanga la phezulu, but that's when uphakathi esigodlweni. When uphakathi esigodlweni, uma ungaqimbanga ngaphezulu, moreover if you're a girl, uma ungaqimbanga phezulu awuhambi uqondile. Imithetho leyo sasiyifundiswa ubuthami, but I don't know. Awuhambi uqondile, uyathoba uma uyintombi when walking around igceke lesigodlo. And then what else do I know? Ukuthi awumemezi mawuphakathi esigodlweni ukuthi uzothi Phili. No, we don't do that. You speak kahle like a normal person, and you wait until you reach a person before uzokhuluma naye. And then also awugijimi phakathi esigodlweni, awugijimi. Yeah, that's like the few that is so important, because certain protocols, I don't know if we are allowed to share them on public platforms. So I will just share with the knowledge that I believe it's something that could work to other girls' advantages. Maba phakathi esigodlweni magiwenye again.
Okay. Sisimphiwe, ngiyacabanga ukuthi you can unmute. You can share. Noma i-mic yakho ayisebenzi. Oh. Ngoba ngikubonile utype, ngikubonile. Amen. Amen. Kunomsindo. Oh, okay, no, ngiyazwisisa sithando sami, ngiyazwisisa. Mntase, thetha nami before ndinike umama. Le ndaba I find that challenging. We'll attend to that after. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe Sis Nozi, is there something you would like to add before nginike umama?
You talking to Sis Nozipho lo mdala?
Now ngayithatha.
Indaba yokuyiphatha.
You guys
You're
hear me?
breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Uyabreaka kancane.
Better now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, no, ngisho ukuthi just to add. Uyabona? Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umuntu nomuntu unendlela atshelwa yona ukuthi this is how you carry yourself mawuseyintombini. And we need to emphasize ukuthi imvunulo ave ihlonishwa bafethu. Izinto oyikhulumayo mawufake imvunulo shouldn't be the same nezinto oyikhulumayo mangabe usukhumule imvunulo. So ukuyiphatha laphayana asiyangi ngiyokhompyutha. Asiyangi ngiyokhompyutha ukuthi mina umhlanga ngizobeka kuqala. Mina ngizongena kuqala esangweni lasesigodlweni. So ngathi nje okubalekile ukuthi silindane sihloniphane makuthiwa nje sicela kungene igroup yakuphi kungenwe ngeorder hayi ukuthi usuzothi-ke manje ngani bekumele kungene thina kuqala seniyabhuduzela sekwenzeka sonke lelo khungana lesibhudubhudu esihlale siba khona because abantu basuke befike laphayana bafune ukuthi qale bona umuntu afika athi nje ngifuna ukuthi nginike isilo mosisiphakathi sonke masiye laphayana siyingane zesilo akekho ozonikwa imedali yokuthi uhambise kuqala umhlanga or ungene kuqala esibayeni. So ngendlela esenza ngayo mangabe wena usabu ukuma phambili kwi-front line kwi-camp yakho hlala kwi-backline yakho ungashintshi ngoba usulapha yakho uzujwayelwe ukuthi uhlale emuva. So nje ngicabanga ukuthi mangabe umuntu esuka la emhlangeni akazama ukuthi ayicontrol kuleso simo leso sokufuna ukubukwa mayefika phambili. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga siswami.
Ngicela nje ukuphendula oyedwa la ubuzayo uMaweze Wande uthi before sivala Mr. Phathi amawulu akwangwane. So njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ngiyacabanga ukuthi mesiye emhlangeni sigqoke ngendlela singathathi izinto zezinye izizwe ngoba most of the time when we do that sigcine sesigqoka into incorrectly ngendlela bona bangayigqoki ngakhona. For example, imjijimba yaseSwatini the longer mongabuka iy'ntombi zakhona except for ama-princess ney'nduna iy'ntombi zakhona umjijimba lo mude usually has red has to be like the longest, which means lowo muntu loyo useyintombi ngakubo. And then thina mesikuthatha ngoba asenzi i-research and we just take because it looks nice and we want to put our own colors. Uthole mhlawumbe wena ufake uyellow of which ngakhona kwenziwa kanjalo. So nje let's just make it a point ukuthi asisho ukuthi don't take things from other cultures, you can, but go the right way. Yabo wenze i-research yakho and ugqoke kahle. So nje yeah. Imjijimba kangwane, the longer part yomjijimba is usually red, which means umuntu useyintombi. So muzothatha umjijimba, it's advisable ukuthi do it how they do it. And in that way we don't offend anyone.
Yes. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi on that note, before nginike umama, it was raised bengafuni ukuthi si entertain kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yeah. not le mjijimba la khona umuntu mentioned in the comments about ubandlululo elifaced uGoli masemhlangeni. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi that's something esingayikhuluma ekugcineni. Hayi ukuthi ngokukhulu kuyithoba bengicela ukuthi si-attend ekugcineni leyo ngoba I understand it's a heated topic and it makes a lot of people emotional, especially people who have experienced it. So I think that's something we can park for at the end, because I don't think they go out of their way ukuthi basibandlulule mhlambe kusuke kuyisimo, but leyo ngiyacabanga ukuthi singayi-attenda mhlambe ekugcineni ngokukhulu kuyithoba. And then ku-mentioniwe indaba yokuthi abantu bazibiza amaqanda. Ayinhlekisana ke leyo part ukuthi khona amaqanda wesilo mina bengazi bengazi kuthiwe ngingayihleki leyo comment, so bengithanda ukuyindlulisa nje fast ngoba iyangihlekisa ngaphakathi ukuthi khona amaqanda. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi anybody on the panel here can share the importance of addressing isilo accordingly. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi isilo siney'thakazelo zakhona eshiwe specific people. Akwazi ukubiza isilo ngegama, which is why I remember khona le hubo leli iyodwa iNgonyama kaZulu. It was even adjusted to accommodate the fact ukuthi inactivity. Wait, what? Wait, how do I? Okay, ngiyaxolisa kuleyo ndawo ibithi izovala. Ngiyazi ukuthi nale hubo leli lithi iyodwa iNgonyama kaZulu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma can attest to that ukuthi it was even changed ama-lyrics to avoid to say igama lesilo, because isilo alibizwa ngegama ngokwazi kwami. That's why sesigcina sithi iyo eyobusa ising the other way around. But I think Uma can share on that a little bit, if I'm not mistaken.
Yebo, njalo iyobusa sakhipha leliya gama engafuni nokulibiza nami. That's why sayichange sathi iyobusa. Sicula ngaleyo ndlela. And then on another thing ngoba sengithe ngiyavula nginixolela ngizocela ukunyamalala ngo past nginemeeting nabantu baseLesotho because sine event ezohappen eLesotho next month. Kusho ukuthi yazi ngihleli la nginilalele usisi noZipho. Ngiyathanda ukuthi ngihloniphe intombi. Ngiyanithanda abantwana bami. Ngilalele hayi cha niyakhuluma. And then ngiye lapha yakuphiliswa yabona usuyibeke wayiqeda ithi ngayiwoni indaba yesikole. And then ongakusho nje senikhulumile ngiyathemba ukuthi bayizwile ukuthi isigodlo siyahlonishwa. Uma niyintombi kakhulukazi ngizokhulumela eGauteng. Yes, ngiya understand KZN noma ngithi intombi zonke ngoba mhlambe khona ezase KZN ezila. Into engicela ukuyipreach entombini uthando. Uthando intombi ngiyacela yabona nanoma kuthiwa nebukhosi nomhlanga niyo celebrate ubunina. Laphaya yazi thina sijike singonomehle sijike sinihalele kube ngazathi izulu lingavuleka kancane ukuthi ubani ufuna ukuba yichichi. Mina ngaya ngigijima ukuthi nje ngibuyele nje ebuntombini. So nisuke ni celebrate ubunina ipride yenu. Manje maningayenza ukuthi at least intombi okunani azithandaneni. But enye into futhi eba yi-challenge ngathi singake sitholane singonomehle ngoba sinenza iwengu. Angikwazi ukuthatha abantwana bomunye imizi ngibalethe bazohlola la kaMasimelane ngibakhulise lokho abakufundise emakubo kumele ngiede babe nevelo, but angikwazi ukuthi ngimayinase lokho abakufundiswe emakubo. So uthando yabona masingazama ukuthi nishumayele uthando kungathiwa kusasa i-level up yenza umcimbi angilapho ngoba mina ngumama ngibuye embumbeni cha ngeke ngisondele lapho. Kwazi kutholakala ukuthi what's the main route enza ukuthi kuze kube na that event.